What's up guys, it's me Greg. Welcome to ProGlove in the production area. I'm just starting the second shift right now. We make gloves that everybody in the industry is crazy about. BMW, Bosch, DHL, you name it. Thanks man. They look actually like this. We make 1,000 pieces a day, all done in-house. Let me guys show you our place where most of the prototyping and testing process takes place. This is our lovely workshop here where Giovanni is working with us. He's teaching us Portuguese actually. Say hi Giovanni.
Oi, boa tarde, tudo bem?
Nice. Okay guys, before I quickly show you our favorite place here in the company where most of the funniest after-work sessions take place, let me share you this quick information that we are located in South Munich. We have a beautiful view from office to the Alps, and it is really beautiful and nice to work here. And yeah, here is Giorgio. Say hello.
Hey, ciao.
Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me today. This was our little sneak peek, and come by if you want to see our lovely company. Cheers.